I wish you all the best wishes as I and everyone present here believe in you and your potential, and I want you all to today try to bring out the potential and achieve those inevitable wonders that you all might know or dream about. Thank you.
Thank you, Samar. Now, without any further ado, let's move on with the event. Volunteers who are present over here in the hall, I request you all to please coordinate with the participants and please reach to the lab hall upstairs. Okay.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hopefully everyone have been pleased with the experience of the competition, and hopefully each and every single person has found their worth in the computer science field today, as we had the hackathon event, which means being condolenced as well as being with the presence of all the technical languages and programming barriers. The competition doesn't only means win or to lose from a certain team or a certain person. This means not only a single competition, but mirroring and making connections and networks with several institutions, mere friendships as well as people. So with this, I would like to wrap up the competition, and also I would like to thank each and every single external college participants who have taken out their precious time and invested their time into a hackathon event, and I would appreciate their presence with all my due respect. With this, I would like to call upon I would like to announce the winners of the hackathon event. So the third runner-up for this competitions are Code Warriors by Accurate Institution. Please come up on the stage. I would like to call upon HOD sir and Dean sir for their felicitations. Can I have a big round of applause for them?
गलत लगा आपको?
Congratulations to Accurate Institutions. I would like to announce also that each and every single participants and every external team is going to get a e-certificate. We are going to send it by tomorrow evening. Okay. I would like to announce the second runner-ups. There is an internal team and external team. The external team is Dronacharya Institutions, team Drone Tech. Please come up on the stage. And internal participant is Debugger Coders by IIMT College of Management. Please come up on the stage.
द्रोणाचार्य कॉलेज के और बाकी बच्चे कोई नहीं है? दूसरे टीम में नहीं है? Anyone from Dronacharya College?
Are there any students from the Dronacharya College? Any student? Can I have a big round of applause? Congratulations to Dronacharya Institutions.
And congratulate others also on our behalf.
Team Tariq bhai. Team Tariq.
Now the second runner-ups, Debugger Coders. Congratulations. The first position holder is from Mangalmay Institutions, Code Crafters. I would request everyone to come on the stage. Congratulations to Mangalmay Institutions. Can I have a big round of applause? I would like to call upon each and every single external team on the stage for a quick photograph.
External team members, please come from all colleges.
Students from every external college, please come up on the stage for a quick photograph.
सब आ जाओ बेटे. All external participants, please give them a huge round of applause. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Our faculty members, please come this side. All faculty members, please come front में arrange करो. That looks better. Correct.
All the faculty members, please assemble yourself on the stage.
आगे सर, faculty members.
मैम
Yes, sir.
आप भी आ जाना फारूक भाई. आपका ये दिखना चाहिए. ऐसे रखोगे सामने से IIMT दिखेगा.
ये सीधा देखी सर.
Now all our internal participants, जितने भी हमारे बच्चे हैं सब आ जाओ.
All the internal participants are required to come up on the stage. Every single participant who has made their presence in the competition are going to get e-certificates by tomorrow evening, positively. I would like to thank team coordinators, organizing team and each and every single volunteer to make this event big.
सब नीचे लिस्ट पे जाओ. फारूक भाई को arrange करो ऑफिस से. सब आ जाओ. All internal students, all students of IIMT College of Management, please come.
इस तरफ आ जाओ. सभी इधर आ जाओ. थोड़े इधर आ जाओ.
All students including our volunteers, our core coordinators सब आ जाओ.
दो जन ऊपर चल जाओ. इधर दो जन ऊपर चल जाओ.
All volunteers, core coordinators, everybody is requested to come for group photography. Nobody should be left